Hey everyone, and welcome back to channel. So today we're diving into something really cool in the crypto world. So a platform that's been getting some of attention lately. So YUBIT Exchange. Now, if that name sounds kind of new to you, so don't worry. It's actually the next generation of an older exchange called SafeX. So now upgraded and rebuilt and renamed YUBIT. Alright, so we're gonna walk through everything, what it is, why people are talking about it, how the platform works, how to actually use it, and what makes it stand out from the rest. So grab a cafe, I don't know, open a new tab, and because by the end of this video, you have a full picture of what YUBIT really offers without the hype, okay? So just a clean walkthrough. Alright, let's jump in. Alright guys, so let's talk about why YUBIT even matters. So in a world full of crypto exchanges, right, it's kind of hard to know which ones actually worth checking out. So you've got Binance, Bybit, OKX, tons of options, okay, tons of exchanges. But YUBIT is trying to do something a little different. So it's a multi-asset trading platform, meaning it doesn't just stop at crypto. So they're also designed to support forex, stocks, and even commodities all in one app or all in one place. So that's actually a big deal because more exchanges stay in their lane. So here they're kind of unifying the whole trading world in a single interface. So something both beginners and professionals, traders may find super convenient. So, and the team behind it, they are actually veterans from Binance and Bybit. So yeah, we're not talking about a random pop app project. Okay. All right. So what is YUBIT exactly? So YUBIT calls itself your secure gateway to crypto freedom. So it's basically a global trading hub that gives users access to different markets, spot trading, futures, copy trading, and even on-chain tokens through a feature called Super Snipe. So they're pushing this idea of freedom plus safety, so you can trade from anywhere, anytime, without worrying about weird hidden fees or complicated onboarding. And just to be clear, this isn't financial advice or an investment recommendation. So we're just exploring how the platform works and what tools it gives you as a trader, okay? So let's move on. Okay, guys, so when you land on YUBIT.com, the homepage instantly gives you that clean, modern vibe. So you'll see the slogan here, your secure gateway to crypto freedom. Front and center. So below that, they show the latest version, so 5, and a later verified status tag. So then you've got quick links to all the major sections like a market, so where you can check live prices, futures here for derivatives trading, spot for regular crypto buying and selling, so you know that, and reward center, so where new users can grab bonuses and free your tokens, so we'll see that later, and copy trading, so to follow top traders, and finally futures data for analytics and leaderboards. So right below that you'll see trending coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Doge. So all updating in real time. It's kind of like a simplified version of a pro exchange. So sleek but beginner friendly. Okay, so what's the core mission here? So YUBIT aims to make trading safer, faster, and more open. So no hidden costs, no opaque system. So here are the main features they highlight across the site. First, safety first. So registration uses both email and phone verification, plus advanced smart contracts for added protection, and global access. So fully borderless platform, so you can trade anywhere and anytime. And also convenient trading, so super quick onboarding, simple layout, and instant order execution. And finally, not finally, so the 4 point is fair and transparent. So they emphasize transparency and zero hidden fees. And finally, humanized service, so 24 and 7 personalized support for every transaction. So, okay, On top of that, YUBIT actually holds multiple international licenses, including US MCB license, Hong Kong license, custody, and Canada MCB license, and finally Singapore digital assets custody certification. So it's not just, hey, we're safe, but they've gone through paper licensing to operate globally. So they also mention proof of reserves, so users can verify that funds are fully backed. Another big plus in today's crypto world. Okay. Alright guys, now let's go over what it actually looks like once you're inside. So when you log in, you're greeted by a dashboard that displays your total assets in a clean summary, so you can view them in either account perspective or currency perspective, which is a nice touch. So you'll see your balances across funding accounts, futures accounts, spot accounts. So each one shows how much you have, your total percentage, and quick action buttons. At the top, the main menu remains fixed, so you can easily jump between market, futures, spot, reward centers, and copy trading, and also assets. So the design is honestly pretty clean, so everything is just 1 or 2 clicks away, and there is even a dark light theme toggle, so that's cool, and an avatar section where you can manage account settings, verification, and security. And if you've used Bybit or Binance, so you'll feel right at home. So there is not a complicated interface, so it's that same professional style but a bit more simplified. Okay. I think it's more clean. Okay, so now let's do a quick step-by-step guide on how to use YUBIT. So first, sign up. Go to the link that I will drop in the description. So click start trading and register. So you can register using your email or phone, and once you verify that, so you're in. Then you can deposit funds. So head over to assets here. And click deposit. So choose your preferred crypto, like let's say for example USDC, and copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. So that's easy, and your funds will appear in your funding accounts, and from there you can transfer them to spot or futures. So you can switch between them, so you can choose whatever you want. And when you deposit, so if you click spot, you'll see trading pairs like Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, USDT. So the trading interface includes charts, keyline charts, so order books and trade history. You can place limit, market, or stop orders so easily from there. So it's easy. You know that nothing is complicated. Okay, and futures, so concerning futures trading, so this is where things get a bit more advanced. Okay, so YUBIT supports both USDTM and CoinM futures, so and traders can use up to 200x leverage. So but again, this is for experienced users only. Okay, so be careful. They also offer independent position modes, so you can manage long and short trades separately. So perfect for those who like to hedge. Okay, and finally there is copy trading. So if you don't want to trade manually, you can use copy trading. So this section lets verify pro traders with data like their 30-day P&L, win rate, and profit sharing ratio. So if you want a full video about that, so let me know in the comments. I will prepare a video about copy trading in YUBIT. Okay, so once you find someone you like, just hit copy now, set your margin amount, and your trades will automatically mirror there, so in real time with no slippage. That's cool. And for new users, there is a section called the rewards center. So here you can complete simple tasks like register a new account and deposit 100 USDT and complete a copy trade. So each one unlocks mystery boxes with free tokens, which can later be exchanged for USDT. So it's like gamify onboarding, fun, but still focus on learning the platform. Okay guys, so before we wrap up, there are a few more interesting things worth nothing. So super snipe. This feature lets you buy trading on-chain tokens directly with USDT without using MetaMask or paying gas fees. So it basically combines CX convenience with DEX variety, okay? And also affiliate and key program. So if you're a content creator or community leader, YUBIT offers up to 60% revenue share, so transparent dashboards and instant payouts. And compensation policy, so this is where YUBIT actually covers losses from platform side issues like downtime or abnormal slippers, so which shows a level of accountability we don't often see. So yeah guys, overall YUBIT feels like a fresh all-in-one trading hub that's aiming to merge the simplicity of a centralized exchange with the flexibility of DeFi tools. So it's got the licenses, the features, and that clean global approach that makes it easy to use whether you're trading daily or just exploring, okay? And is it right platform for you? So that depends on your trading needs. So but it's definitely one to keep an eye on if you value security, speed, and a multi-asset experience, okay? And alright guys, that's it for today's walkthrough. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more crypto explainers, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to know what you think about YUBIT and how it compares to your go-to exchange. And you can check out the platform yourself, so I will drop all links in the description, of course. So thanks for watching, and as always, trade safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.